Yeah. So I mean, there's a lot of benefit. I mean, human emotion is an important signal. It's something we try to maximize in societies and individuals. And so, uh, if a machine doesn't understand and respond to a person's emotion, it's not going to be. Um, uh, I I think it limits the potential benefits of this machine. So having a machine that can try to help motivate you to exercise more is really, in some sense, an emotional process. Understanding frustration, boredom in an educational setting. People try to build machines that recognize this child is frustrated and adjust automatically the instructional content to try to, or also technology to help humans better regulate their own emotions. Detecting suicidality and Facebook posts. There's a lot of potential benefits to making algorithms able to understand, simulate, predict, model the role emotion plays in human activity and health, and so I think those benefits are what's driving the field largely. Yeah, there's a lot of potential concerns about the technology, and I think a lot of it probably, well, several concerns. The biggest one, I think, is that people feel that this technology can be manipulative. Just like advertising manipulates our emotions to get us to buy certain products, politicians manipulate our emotions to get votes. You could easily imagine with enough sophistication, we could have these super sophisticated machines that know how to push human buttons and persuade us to do stuff, which may or may not be aligned with our interests. So in general, I think that's one example of a more general phenomena where how do we ensure technology is congruent with human desire, goals, interests. There's, I think, some concern. I'm less concerned about this, that if machines, quote unquote, portray that they have emotion, it could change the way we interact with them in destructive ways. So imagine, computer games. You have these emotional characters that are you're torturing. Toys, you're torturing. There's some concern that kids are torturing Alexa. Does that lead us to then think it's okay to treat humans in a less empathetic way? That's a phenomenon sometimes called moral disengagement. So that we learn to morally disengage from others, and that technology affords us to explore doing harmful things to seemingly emotional artifacts.